And welcome to a new video, and today in this video I'm going to be filming the new dinosaur that I created on my own. Well, I had a little help on with my friends. Okay, ready? 3. You may notice this in my new intro. Okay, so I'm going to be singing the song. Ready? Steady, there's a Jerichosaurus walking through the forest looking for a Brachiosaurus. Couldn't fit through the door, had to squeeze some more, but it started to fall to the floor. But then it mega evolved. I don't know if I spelled that correct. They labeled it very detailed. Jerichosaurus walking through the forest looking for a Brachiosaurus. Couldn't fit through the door. It had to squeeze some more, but it started to fall to the floor. Then it make evolve. That doesn't really make it go right. Hey, just hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like and subscribe and comment in the comment section below. Subscribe. Just press the subscribe button and press the like button. Okay? Okay! Wait, Pokemon doesn't talk.